Not only should training content be meaningful, but it should also be memorable. To help trainees remember training content, try some of these strategies. 1. Have trainees complete pre-work before the learning event to familiarize them with the program and the content, and then encourage them to take notes during the training program. 2. Break content into easily digestible chunks of, say, 4 or 5 items, or break lengthy instruction into multiple sessions. Humans have limited memory capacity, and we need to be aware of that when designing complex training programs. 3. Use visuals to demonstrate concepts. Traditionally, we rely heavily on text, but visuals like photos, graphics, tables can be beneficial to helping people organize new information. Concept maps, for example, can be used to show the different relationships between topics. 4. Demonstrate the correct procedures in the correct order. Both physically and visually show trainees how to do something. Provide step-by-step instructions and graphics whenever possible. And 5, use short, multiple-choice quizzes or other boosters both during and after training to encourage the retrieval of newly learned information. This is especially important for the most important information. You'll notice that your quizzes in this class focus on information that we would like you to know long after you complete this course.